funny guide, good English picked up and dropped off from motel, got history and explanation of area and buildings along the way, great tour. Awesome trip, would recommend it to any and everyone that is going to Zanzibar, Tanzania in East Africa. Friendly staffs. Discover the wonders of Jozani Forest on a half-day walking tour, where you can encounter the rare Zanzibar red Colobus monkeys up close. This experience immerses you in diverse ecosystems, from tropical rainforests to saltwater marshes, while supporting conservation and local communities in the heart of Zanzibar. Explore a mangrove boardwalk that reveals the ecological importance of mangroves for coastline protection and marine life. Learn about Jozani's role as a refuge for escaped slaves and its blend of cultural history. Guided tours provide insights into rare plant species used in traditional medicine and sightings of Sykes monkeys, bushbabies, and over 40 bird species. The tour promotes sustainable tourism and offers accessibility for all fitness levels.